All rise. Judge Van der B Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1010, Laura versus Tower.
Thank you.
Well,
You all may be seated. Let's see. Ms. Laura,
Yes, ma'am.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I'm trying to get my baby back.
Okay.
I have two babies,
Okay.
and I just had another baby with my boy. He's not my boyfriend anymore, but he hit my first baby, so Houston got to take him, and I want him back because I'm not with that boyfriend anymore.
Buckle up, everyone. This case kicks off with sparks flying. Ms. Mercy is back in court arguing that the current child support just isn't enough. She claims Dad's flashy social media doesn't line up with what he's telling the court about his finances. And she's not here just to complain. She's here to expose. With shared custody falling apart and missed pickups stacking up, her frustration is obvious. But it's not only about what's happening, it's about what she's uncovered. The judge looks intrigued, the whole courtroom leans in, and you can already tell this won't be an ordinary support hearing.
So Houston took the baby or you lost the baby?
Either way, Houston has the baby, and I want it back.
No, it's not either way. It's you lost the baby. So did somebody intervene and take the baby away from you? And
Yes,
give the baby?
ma'am. They took the baby and gave him to Houston.
Okay.
And I want him back.
Okay. And you have a new baby with your ex-boyfriend?
Not ex-boyfriend, ex-boyfriend.
So you guys are no longer together?
Correct, ma'am.
How old is this new baby?
How old's the new baby?
Yes.
Like 8 months.
And you're done with him after 8 months?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I was done with him like 10 months ago. The baby's 8 months.
Oh, okay. So before the baby was born?
Yes, ma'am.
Did he come to the birth of the child?
No, I didn't want him around.
Oh, okay. All right. So you now want to get custody back from
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
From Houston.
who does the baby live with?
Me.
The baby? No, my baby lives with me.
No, not your child. How many children do you all have between you?
Just one.
Just one. And the child lives with him,
Yes, ma'am.
and you want the baby back.
Yes, ma'am.
How long has the baby lived with you?
The baby has been
Yeah.
living the whole time.
Oh, okay. And how old is this child?
5.
5. Oh. And you expect to get child support,
Yes, ma'am.
and the child has been living with him for almost, it's a boy or girl?
Boy.
His whole life?
Yes, ma'am. Well, when I get my baby back, I want child support, yeah. He makes way more money than I do. I want my baby back and I want child support.
I'm sorry, you have to excuse me because nothing you're saying is making sense right now. You came to court to ask me to give a child back to you that was taken from you.
All right, here's the twist. Mercy comes clean and admits she catfished him. That's right. She made a fake profile as Marissa to dig up the truth, and it worked. Through those DMs, she says she discovered is actually pulling in $4,000 a week, not the $60,000 a year he claimed. The judge is floored, not just by the hidden income, but by how she uncovered it. Is it legal? Maybe not. But is it persuasive? Absolutely. It's courtroom drama colliding with catfish, and now she's got the receipts. This isn't just a dispute, it's a trap, and he walked right into it.
That's 5 years old, that's pretty much lived with this man the entire time that he has been taken care of.
They took my baby away because my ex-boyfriend is an abuser and I'm not with him anymore, so I want my baby back.
Right, but the child hasn't been living with you. The child has been living with him.
Yeah, because of my ex, and I'm not with my ex anymore.
Yeah, so no, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. He would literally have to have given you the child back. And then you come in here, after you've been having the child for some time, then you come in here and say, Judge, I want this to be changed. I've been having the child this entire time. I want him to pay child support. That would be a little bit more reasonable. But what you're asking for today is very unreasonable.
Okay, well, give me my baby back, and then I'll come back in a while and ask for child support.
Well, I can't give you your baby back because I never took your baby. Okay? Actually, nobody really took your baby. You lost your baby for your own negligence with your ex-boyfriend. That has nothing to do with me. Okay? Now, fill me in over here. The baby was placed with you after the boyfriend hit the baby,
Yep.
and he's been living with you ever since then.
Yep.
You've been taking care of him. Mm-hmm. You pay for everything for the child.
Everything.
What does she do?
I visit.
She visits unsupervised.
Okay, congratulations. Financially, what does she do?
Financially?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Oh, that's what I figured. Okay, I see what's going on here. Yeah, and I'm not about to play this game with you. You're the one that's going to pay him child support today.
What?
Yeah, you are.
He makes like 3 times as much money as I do. I have to give him my money.
It's for the child, so yes, you do. You do.
Mercy hands over her so-called proof, screenshots, captions, income claims, and a whole lot of social media flexing. The judge starts running the numbers, and if this is legit, it means an extra $16,000 a month on top of the $60,000 he already reported. Suddenly, the stakes shoot through the roof. The courtroom goes silent as the judge studies the evidence. If these captions are real, this isn't just a minor oversight. It's a massive discrepancy. Mercy's case has shifted from emotional to purely mathematical. The tension changes instantly. It's no longer about who's right. It's about whose facts can survive the heat.
The good thing is based on your income. You'll get credit for the other child that your 8-month-old, you'll get credit for that child. But yes, you are going to pay him child support. That's just the right thing to do. It's one child between the two of you, okay? And health insurance, I'm assuming you pay it.
Yes.
How much is it?
$66 a month.
$66.
I get it through my
Okay.
employer, so.
Huh?
I get it through my employer.
Okay, gotcha. And how much do you make a year?
$38,000.
38,000. So I have your gross coming out to $3,200. That brings your net to $2,648.01, giving you credit for the other child that you have. Your child support obligation comes out to $423.69, plus the $66 you're going to reimburse him for health insurance every month. So 66 added to 463.69 is 489.69.
$489.69.
Did you need me to repeat it?
I'm asking you, $489. I have to give him almost $500 a month.
Yeah, that's how it works. Did you really think that I was going to have him pay you child support?
No, I just wanted my baby.
Oh, okay, so your first answer was no, so then you understand exactly why you have to pay child support. Is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay, is there anything else?
Nope.
Okay, you all are dismissed.
Now it's Mr. Cutt's turn, and he strolls in like everything's fine. He says his assistant runs his social media, claims he's just a local rapper making $60,000 a year, and the extra money, supposedly from a baking fundraiser. Yes, baking. The judge looks unsure, like she can't tell if this is a financial defense or a stand-up routine. He argues the funds aren't personal income but business cash, untaxed, unstructured, and completely separate. The problem? No receipts, no paper trail, no real proof. The judge isn't buying it, and neither is anyone else. He just turned a child support hearing into a PR pitch for his mixtape and muffins.
Credit to 463.69 is 489.69.
$489.69.
Did you need me to repeat it?
I'm asking you, $489. I have to give him almost $500 a month.
Yeah, that's how it works. Did you really think that I was going to have him pay you child support?
No, I just wanted my baby.
Oh, okay, so your first answer was no, so then you understand exactly why you have to pay child support. Is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay, is there anything else?
Nope.
Okay, you all are dismissed.
Cotty insists those Marissa messages came from his assistant, not him. But the judge isn't here for games. If the account is his and the messages show income, that's all that matters. She demands a straight answer, and Cotty starts to fumble. He admits the extra money exists but claims it's all business income. When the judge asks if the business is registered, he trips up again. Turns out, it's just a sole proprietorship. Now the judge sees exactly what's happening. He's trying to hide behind a business shell to dodge personal responsibility. But in family court, the line between personal and business blazes fast. Clip 6. The judge zeroes in on health insurance. Cotty admits he doesn't have private coverage. He just goes to the hospital when something happens. She cuts him off. That's not how it works when you have kids. Right now, he's reimbursing Mercy $150 a month for their insurance, but the judge offers him an alternative: carry the plan himself and reduce his support payments. His blank stare says it all. He's never even considered it. He actually asks if Obamacare is still around. This isn't just financial confusion. It's a full-on wake-up call. And the judge is spelling out the basics he should have learned long ago. Clip 7. Cotty tries to argue that he takes the kids to their appointments and that they practically live with him. But when the judge presses him, he finally admits they actually live with Mercy. That confession changes everything. He also concedes he didn't bring any tax documents, didn't know he was supposed to, and hasn't filed taxes in 3 or 4 years. The judge doesn't even blink. She spells it out. If he can't prove the money is business-only income, it counts as personal income. This is a hard reality check. In this courtroom, excuses don't hold up, only paperwork does. And Cotty showed up with nothing but vibes and half-answers. Clip 8. Here's where it all comes crashing down. Cotty asks if he can just quit the fundraisers to make the problem go away. The judge shuts that down without hesitation. People try this tactic all the time, but the law doesn't care if you turn off the income faucet after you've been exposed. What matters is what you owned and what you admitted. The court will use it to calculate support, period. This moment drives home a critical lesson. You can't outsmart child support with clever side hustles. And if Cotty thought he could bake his way out of this, the judge just cranked reality up to 450 degrees. Clip 9. Now it's Mercy's turn under the spotlight. The judge calls her out, saying it feels like she came back more to get back at Cotty than to do what's best for the kids. Mercy admits she's known about his business for a while, even supported his concerts, which undercuts her own case. The judge sees through it all. Mercy may be genuinely frustrated, but this is starting to look more like payback than parenting. With both sides playing games, the judge opts for fairness over revenge. She refuses to raise support based on business income, at least not without solid records. It's a clear message. If you come to court with unclean hands, don't expect a clean win. Clip 10. The ruling is in. Cotty's support stays at $768 a month and is now required to carry health insurance. If he takes over the plan, he'll get a $150 credit. Mercy doesn't get the increase she was hoping for, and the energy in the courtroom shifts. Petty jabs fade into uneasy silence. The judge issues a clear warning. Child support isn't a weapon, and court isn't the place for emotional payback. As she wraps things up, she notes the matching outfits, the lingering tension, and maybe even some unresolved feelings. But she drives home the most important